Roy was laid to rest today at Dovecot Memorial Park in St. Catherine. His funeral was postponed in March due to the COVID-19 restrictions on burials, but his family subsequently chose not to live stream the event. However, the public over the last 3 days were given an opportunity to toast the musical giant at his viewing at Perry's funeral home. Daddy Roy is hailed as a pioneering toasting and is one of the founding fathers of hip-hop. Upon his passing in February, the press and artists worldwide hailed his contribution to the craft. He was 78. Bounty Killer has been stepping up his promotion for his upcoming album King of Kingston. The usually controversial dancehall artist held no bars when he posted a side note as he teased the album, saying, quote, in my Bounty voice, "Since everybody and them granny making album this year, all of a sudden let me make it clear that all who and who drop in them little dumpling thing, do it fast, move. Cause when the giant feed a pudding pan and kerosene tin business." In other words, the biggest and baddest and best dancehall album for the last 2 decades. Loading. End quote. Cross. It is right. Anticipation is high for the album, which already has fans excited with the announcement of 2 collabs, one with Bunji Garlin and the other with Busy Signal. And excitingly, Damon Jr. Gang Marley as executive producer. Now, Alkaline gets the top prize. The album Top Prize, released over the weekend, debuted on the top of the iTunes Reggae charts and peaked in the top 10 at number 6 on the Apple's US iTunes chart and number 7 the Canadian iTunes chart. Alkaline has made history as the first independent reggae dancehall artist to have 2 consecutive albums debut at number 1 worldwide. His first album, New Level Unlocked, debuted at number 1 in 2016, spending 18 consecutive weeks on the charts. Now that's how you release new music. Cut me a stage. I'm Daydran, reporting for E! Prime.